Introduction. A sales funnel is a process that guides potential customers through a series of steps, from awareness to purchase. The goal of a sales funnel is to convert as many leads as possible into paying customers. The different stages of a sales funnel. There are 4 main stages of a sales funnel. Awareness. In the awareness stage, potential customers are introduced to your product or service. You can raise awareness through marketing and advertising, as well as through content marketing. Interest. In the interest stage, potential customers are starting to get interested in your product or service. They may be reading your blog posts, watching your videos, or downloading your free resources. Desire. In the desire stage, potential customers are starting to want your product or service. They may be comparing your product to others, reading reviews, or talking to friends and family. Action. In the action stage, potential customers are ready to buy your product or service. They may click on a call to action button, fill out a form, or make a purchase. How to create a sales funnel. To create a sales funnel, you need to first identify your target audience. Once you know who you're targeting, you can start to create content that will appeal to them. This content can be in the form of blog posts, videos, infographics, or anything else that will help you educate and engage your audience. As you create content, you can also start to collect leads. This can be done through email sign-up forms, opt-in bonuses, or other lead magnets. Once you have a list of leads, you can start to nurture them with more content and offers. The goal of a sales funnel is to move leads through the different stages of the funnel until they become paying customers. By creating valuable content and providing excellent customer service, you can increase your chances of success. How to use sales funnels to grow your business. Sales funnels are a powerful tool that can help you grow your business. By understanding the different stages of a sales funnel and creating content that appeals to your target audience, you can increase your chances of converting leads into paying customers. Conclusion. Sales funnels are a powerful tool that can help you grow your business. By understanding the different stages of a sales funnel and creating content that appeals to your target audience, you can increase your chances of converting leads into paying customers. Here are some additional tips for creating and using sales funnels. Make sure your sales funnel is well designed. The design of your sales funnel should be clear and easy to follow. You should also make sure that the different stages of the funnel flow smoothly from one to the next. Use high-quality content. The content that you use in your sales funnel should be high quality and informative. This will help to educate and engage your audience, and it will also help to build trust and credibility with your potential customers. Personalize your messages. The messages that you send to your leads should be personalized as much as possible. This will help to make your leads feel like you are speaking directly to them, and it will also help to increase the chances that they will take action. Track your results. It is important to track the results of your sales funnel so that you can see what is working and what is not. This will help you to make necessary adjustments to your funnel so that you can improve your results over time. By following these tips, you can create and use sales funnels to grow your business and increase your sales.